Presenting Xiaomi 14 smartphone. The available color variants are green, black and white. It has 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB storage. Designed with 6.36-inch screen with 1.5K 120Hz refresh rate, LTPO AMOLED display, peak brightness of 3000 nits, 68 billion plus colors with DC dimming, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Featured with 50 megapixels Leica professional optics, light fusion 900 image sensor, 50 megapixels Telephoto-Macro, and 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Built with HyperOS, Android 14 and flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm processor. It supports up to 90 watts of wired fast charging and 50 watts of fast wireless charging.